sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may tuwang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin.
May conviction naman. Yes, I do, Pastor. Come on, only to Him as long as you both shall live.
I do.
Yan, alright, palakpakan niya naman si Jessica.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangarap.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now present you Mr. and Mrs. Mark Lawrence Coronel.
Sa'yo, kahit maputi na